I can't deny you've always been a part deep in my heart. Oh, we were meant to be. The sparkle in our eyes still shining bright. Please hold me tight. You're everything to me. It seems like I'm not good enough to disappear. I'm breaking out in tears. It must be love when you stand outside at my door at night. It must be love when you hold me tight until I fall asleep. What to do, I can't let go, 'cause you're my soul. I never give up hope. And after all these years, I feel the same, nothing has changed. For me it's not a shame.